Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true. Gorgeous waterfront condo, close to downtown Columbia, amenities, schools, and churches. Move-in ready, has been completely renovated. Large living room, with fireplace, open floor plan to dining room and kitchen area. Enjoy the water view from every room in the property. New LVP flooring throughout the downstairs, and new carpet up. New plumbing, hot water heater and light fixtures and fresh paint throughout. New indoor HVAC unit. Stainless steel appliances in kitchen, with tile backsplash and granite countertops. Large screen porch area with view of the water. New insulation in the attic. Also has carport so you are out of the weather. A must-see. Won't last long, will make a great first-time home or Airbnb for a new owner.